Hello everybody! I've never shown my hairbrush before. I don't ever remember not having this. I'm currently 49 years old. Going to be 50 here in about, 7-8 months, something like that. Unfortunately, it's getting worn out. Back in the 80s, we had a Doberman, or two Dobermans, and the female got a hold of this and chewed it all up. You can see the chew marks there and there. It's got a chunk missing out of the end there. These bristles are fantastic. That feels great on my scalp. So I've always liked this brush. Unfortunately, the time has come to retire it. Whatever am I going to do? That's right, new old stock. Avon Flare Mini Brush. My late grandmother was on the Avon Super Hard. And we had all kinds of Avon stuff growing up, stocking stuffers, things like that. Don't have a date on this. It's pre-barcode. Let's open it up, see what I've got. First time opening this. Oh my goodness, look at that. Brand new in the box. Oh yeah, those bristles are extra awesome for being new old stock. Nice and shiny, pristine. No chew marks. So this, I guess that'll go in the museum hoard, and I'll put this one in service. See how it feels on the scalp. Oh yeah, that is lovely. Wait a minute, update. Got some infos on the box. I wonder if that's a date code of 0570, May 1970. Because I have no idea if that was brand new when I got it or not. Could have been that old when I got it. That kind of tracks with the lack of a barcode. But yeah, guess I can put the old one in the box. So once again, retiring my lifelong hairbrush and its replacement. Thank you for watching.